This is the part 2 analysis of Hindalco Industries financial performance and sustainability initiative. Hindalco has demonstrated strong financial growth in a recent year. In the third quarter of FY 2024, the company reported a consolidated net profit of 2,331 crore, marking a significant increase compared to the previous year. The copper segment, in a particularly recorded in its highest ever quarterly earning due to increased production and efficient operation. To support its expansion plan, Hindalco announced a $10 billion investment in a domestic and international project. This includes funding for a new aluminum and a copper production facilities as well as the expansion of its US-based subsidiary Novelis Incrim. Here is the sustainability and environmental initiative. Hindalco has been recognized for its commitment to sustainable business practices. The company has consistently ranked as one of the world's most sustainable aluminum producer, emphasizing environmental, social, and governance factors in its operation. Here is the environmental goal: archive a 19.54% reductions in greenhouse gas emission compared to its FY 2011-12 baseline. Plan to source 30% of its energy and renewable sources by 2030. Recycled 85% of its operational waste in FY 2024, with multiple units receiving zero waste certification. Here is the social and governance initiative. Invested rupees 154 crore in a community development program benefiting over 2.5 million people. Implements transparency and accountability measures through its risk management and ESG committee. Last but not the least, Hindalco Industries Limited has established itself as a leader in the aluminium and a copper sector through a strategic expansion, strong financial growth, and a commitment to sustainability. With ongoing investment in renewable energy and advanced production technologies, Hindalco Industries continue to shape the future of metal industries while contributing to the global sustainability effort. Thank you for watching this video.